Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Way here, back with your favorite series, this beater box series. This beater box, as always, comes to us from soulsupremacy.com. If you guys don't know who Soul Supremacy is, they're a shop out in California that specializes in like selling shoes, doing hype boxes, doing these beater boxes, doing eBay auctions. They do it all, man. So check them out. I'll link them in the description below. I've started to realize that the hype boxes are real. Like the hype boxes is what I want to focus on this year, I believe, because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the beater boxes take time to sell. It's not like an instant sell. Hype boxes, on the other hand, have been selling like really quick. I'm actually putting a video together now that like is gonna show you guys how much I actually sold a complete box for, so that should be pretty cool. Anyway, this box is $850, so $750 plus the $100 shipping, so $850. Technically, I guess it should be a $750 box, but we have to base the profit though off of like the ship price, so $850. Before we get into this though, if you guys have not already, be sure to hit that sub button down below. Be sure to hit that notification bell next to that sub button so you guys can join the Untitled Ohana. Definitely want you guys part of the Ohana. Definitely want you guys part of the family. So be sure to hit those buttons down below. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into this. First impressions is there's a lot of black boxes in here, so maybe good, maybe bad. Let's take a look. None of these shoes don't have boxes, so that's always a plus. First one we got here is a Jordan 11 size 6.5Y. Okay, so we're starting off with a pair of 72 10s, and yo, I think these might be dead stock. So starting it off strong. Yeah, these look dead stock, guys. So we got a dead stock pair of Jordan 11 72 10s in the size 6.5Y. So a kid size, but still good. I mean, kid shoes actually do move not bad. You got to figure that there's a lot of people with smaller feet out there, or a lot of homies bays that can fit these smaller sizes. So that's always cool. But yeah, dead stock pair, 72 10s. That's one. Okay, so next one out, it looks like we got another kid size box. This one is a Jordan 12 in a 6Y. So yep, another kid size. Okay, so these look like the playoff 12s, and these ones are actually pretty used. You can see the bottoms down there are used. A lot of paint scuffing over here. Not too good. A lot of toe box creasing. This is actually a pretty good shoe too, but in that kind of condition, I'm guessing it's not going for a lot over here. If you guys are new to the channel, this counter right here is showing you guys what we can potentially make off this box. So these boxes are made to be resold. So all of these shoes are meant to be cleaned and like restored, and then you sell it for more profit than you bought it for. And because you're buying in bulk, you get it for like less than the competitive market value. So hopefully we can make money off of this box. That's the goal of every beater box, but gotta see. So it looks like we got another kid shoe. This might be like an all kids box. This one is a 6Y as well, Jordan 13. This is a pair of the Squadron Blue 13s, and these actually go for a really good amount of money, so that's a good thing. It is used a little bit. You can see the bottoms right there, but nothing major on the other shoe either, so pretty solid condition considering. That's good. I like that. I'm not a big fan that we got 3 kid shoes, but like I said, they actually do move, so it's not terrible, but it's definitely not a good thing, I would say. I'm guessing a Foamposite box here. Yeah, this is a Foamposite and a 9.5. Okay, so these are the pure platinums. Oh, somebody's hair is on this bag. That's disgusting. I'm gonna put that over there. But yeah, these are the pure platinums. It is not dead stock. It looks like it's been used maybe once. These shoes are not bad. The condition is solid, and Foamposites move for a good amount of money, so this is a good pickup. Definitely good value over here on the counter. Nah, I don't know about that hair though. Not a big fan of that. So we got 4 more boxes, it looks like. This one is, oh, I've never seen this box before. A Jordan 32 low. Okay, so Jordan 32s, that's the newest Jordan that's out right now in the market. Oh, these are nice. These are nice. So these have been used. I'm not a big fan of these like see-through clear soles, but the shoe itself is not bad. This is pretty dope actually. This is the low version, so I think the regular is like up here, but this isn't that bad. It does feel like a solid shoe. I'm guessing this is more of like to be used on the court than it is to like style, because I can't really see too many homies wearing this, you know, to go out and like party or whatever, so interesting. Okay, moving on, we got 3 more. Next out, we got a Jordan 8 in a size 11.5. Nice, cool. So we got a pair of the playoff 8s. No cracking, nothing. There's hair on this one too. What the heck is going on? Okay, that's disgusting. But yeah, this one's pretty clean. Jumpman is like fully intact there. Bottom's a little bit dirtied. Everything else looks clean. Not a lot of creasing over the top, so that's good. It's nice that this box has a lot of Jordans. You guys already know that like shoes that aren't Jordan or Yeezy or like Ultra Boost, it takes a while to move. So it's nice seeing all of this. Even though they're kid size shoes for the Jordans, the fact that they're Jordans means that they can sell relatively good. So that's a good thing. We do got 2 more though, and the next one out is, it's a pretty big box. This is a Jordan 14 in an 11.5. Please don't let there be hair in this one as well. Okay, it looks like we're safe. Okay, so these are pretty dope. Condition looks not bad. It is a 2014 shoe, so yeah, a couple years old already. Bottom's dirtied obviously, but leather and stuff still feels pretty solid, so that's a good thing. Not sure what the value on these are, but they're Jordan, like I said, so they should have pretty decent value. Okay, so I was not expecting this in technically what is supposed to be a $750 box, but it's in here, so it is what it is. It is a Yeezy 350 box. Box is a little bit dinged up. You can see right there on the corner. In a size 10. Oh, these... Wait, what? These are dead stock? Okay. Well, we got a pair of dead stock Beluga 2.0s, which I was not expecting at all in a beater box. So that is dope. The value's actually been rising on this pretty good. So I know on the counter over here, it's saying that we made basically half our money back based on this one shoe. So this is a really good pickup. Definitely was not expecting this in a 750 box, like I said. So that's pretty cool. Pretty stoked, not gonna lie. Dead stock Yeezy is always good. I mean, the problem here with this one though... That scared my dog. The problem here with this one though is the box is damaged. So I'm not sure if you can get away with saying that it is dead stock on StockX or GOAT. And that might be an issue, but we gotta see. So size 10. Beluga 2.0, can't complain there. Overall, really, really good box. Like I said, like these boxes in this range, I've said this like a really long time ago, but the boxes in this range of like $600 to $900 something is like, I feel like a very sweet spot for beater boxes. When you get over $1,000 like we usually do, the boxes start to get like, I'm not sure, it just doesn't feel like as easy to move. Values on those shoes flux so much that it's really hard to like pinpoint an exact value for it. We get a lot of V1s in the $1,000 boxes, but getting a V2 in this box makes it like very, very worthwhile for me. So yeah, beater boxes are still really dope. I really like doing these things. I might not do it as much as the hype boxes, but they will definitely still be incorporated in the channel as often as I can. Maybe not in the same values as I've been getting normally, but we got to tailor it to having hype boxes in the series like literally every week. Thank you guys again for watching another episode of the beater box series. All the shoes on this box will be posted on the web store as soon as I can. Usually within like 24 to 48 hours of posting the video. I do have a full-time job, so it does take a lot of time to like figure out pricing of these things, take the pictures, upload, yada yada yada. It's a process. So thank you for bearing with me on that. If you guys do see something that you want, all of my contact information is in the description below, so be sure to check there. Anyway, till next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I'll see you guys. Aloha. Shoots.